everyone, welcome back to Softly Sorted. This video is going to be very special to me because I have finally built my own makeup kit. So it has taken me a long time to do that because I was always worried or always doubtful or skeptical about doing something on my face, like doing some makeup on my face, and I had no confidence to do that until I took a self-grooming session from my sweet, lovely makeup artist who did both my engagement and my wedding look. She gave me that confidence to get into makeup, do it for myself, and invest or purchase the products whichever is required. So, yeah, these are the product recommendations or the product suggestions that she gave to myself that I'm going to share here as a video. And I am a person with a dry skin and I also sweat a lot regardless of the weather. So, if you are someone like me, then this video is definitely going to be for you. And if you are also a beginner, these are definitely going to be beginner friendly and in affordable range as well. So these are the products that we are going to unbox today. So these are from Nykaa, a few from Health and Glow, a few from Sephora, and a few from MAC. And yeah, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the like button and share it among your friends and family members if you find this video useful. So yeah, without much delay, let's get started. So the first parcel is from Nykaa. It's been a long time since I ordered this and I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to make it as a separate video, so I was just waiting for it. So I think now is the time to do this. Let me do this. Okay, so the first parcel, the first thing I am showing here is the foundation application brush in the code 006. So basically this brush is from the brand called PAC. So it is one of the professional brands in the market. So yeah, this brush is basically a foundation brush, not like the usual foundation brush, but this is an angular foundation brush. If you can see this has an angle in it, so it is easy for application. So when you are going to dot on the foundation on your face, you just have to do the strokes downwards, right? So this is going to make it easier for you to make the application, and that is why my makeup artist suggested me. And for me as a beginner, she didn't suggest me to go with any beauty blender or any other foundation brushes, but this was the only product she recommended me to go with. And the next product is blush brush. So this is from the brand called Mars. If you can see this is from Mars. So in the number, so the product ID is BRF06. So this is again a blush brush. So basically the purpose of the brush is definitely going to be apply blush on my face. And the next product is going to be a makeup mixing palette. So this is from the brand called Boroson, and this palette is going to help you with blending your foundation or your concealer together or mixing up two different colors of lipsticks. The mixing palette is going to help you. So it comes along with a spatula which is in stainless steel, like both the items are in stainless steel. And the next product is concealer. So this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I am in the shade Toffee. So my makeup artist has not recommended any color corrector because the only thing I have to correct on my face is basically my dark circles, and she said a concealer is more than enough to do the job, and I will be blending it up with my foundation as well so that it doesn't look odd on my skin. And the next or the most important product that a makeup requires is a primer. I think you all will be knowing the purpose of a primer. So it is definitely to hold the base. So this is from the brand Nykaa itself. My makeup artist recommended me two brands. So the one is from Nykaa and the other one is from Recode. So I thought of going with Nykaa because during the self-grooming session I used Nykaa on my face and it was really good. Like it helped me hold the makeup throughout the day. So that's why I chose Nykaa. And the next is from Health and Glow. So yeah, so I purchased two products from Health and Glow. So they were on sale. Like if you are getting two products, you get 15% off on each. So that's why I purchased it from Health and Glow, and it is from the brand Daily Forever 52. So this product is again a recommended product, a recommended foundation from my makeup artist. So basically, my makeup artist recommended me to go with the Daily Forever 52 foundation, the Ultra Definition Liquid Foundation, because again, a professional product that can be used to have a better stay, that doesn't smudge or that doesn't look cakey on your skin. So she recommended me this particular brand, and luckily it was on sale on Health and Glow. Second product that I purchased from Health and Glow was Daily Forever 52's highlighter. So she actually recommended me to get it from PAC. But then obviously I was going towards the better thing because I was getting a better deal from Health and Glow. Again, this claimed to be one of the good products in the market to use as a highlighter, so I proceeded with purchasing this. And the next product and my very first product that I own from MAC is the compact powder. So I was somewhere between the shade NC40 and NC41. The person in the store, she recommended me to go with NC41 itself because it was more natural on my skin. So yeah, I purchased the shade NC41, if you can see this. And the Sephora purchase was something more like a skincare. I wouldn't say it was a makeup purchase. So I always wanted to try the Ordinary AHA BHA peeling solution. So I was keeping an eye on this for a very long time now, and I definitely wanted to try this. So I finally purchased this AHA BHA peeling solution from the Ordinary brand, and I'm so happy about my purchase. I've been into actives for quite a long time now, so I thought of why not giving it a try. I know this is of a higher percentage, so basically I've been using the GA6 percentage from the pharma. Still, I wanted to give it a try. I'll be using it for at least once in a month or once in a week, maybe however it suits my skin. And the second product that I purchased from Sephora is the Laneige lip balm. And yeah, this again is one product that I've been eyeing on for a very long time. So because I have always come across dupes for the Laneige lip balm. So basically it was the Vaseline Rosy Lip or the lip therapy thing, and the lip balm by Plum as well. So it was, I think Laneige was a competitor, but I believe Laneige has their own goodness in it. So this again was a product recommended by my makeup artist because it helps hydrate my lip. If you can see, I've got no cracks on my lip. So I definitely wanted to try this product for a very long time. So again, this was my first purchase from Sephora as well. So let's unbox the next parcel. This is my next parcel. So let's see what is inside. So in there it is MAC Fix Plus Setting Spray. So this product was not a recommendation by my makeup artist, but is definitely going to help make my skin look very hydrated when I put a makeup on. So basically what she suggested me to do with this product was put on the foundation on your face, spray the Fix Plus spray and blend it. Like start blending it, and it is going to give you a clean and no cakey look. So this was what she suggested me before I wanted to try this product, because I was seeing a lot of review on this particular product when I was searching for good makeup fixing spray. Okay, so that is why I purchased this product. And the next parcel is again from Nykaa. So let me have a look at it. I think this is having the all-nighter setting spray. Let me see. Okay, this has also come along with the pack. Okay, so these are the products. So this is the Urban Decay all-nighter spray, if you can see this. This is from the brand Urban Decay, and this claims to be smudge proof, and yes, it stays on my face for a very long time regardless of how much ever I sweat. So because my makeup artist said that this was a setting spray that she used on my big day as well. This held the makeup on my face for a long time. So I did my makeup got over around 5 a.m. in the morning, and the time I removed was around 6 p.m. in the evening. So till then it stayed for. And I've got a bronzer. So this is again from PAC. So this is again a product that is recommended by my makeup artist. And I've got a cute free product. So this is the Tony Moly Ceramide Mochi Toner. So again, I've been eyeing on this. Luckily, I've got a product as free so that I can give it a try. And the other product that I received along with this packaging is the PAZ brush. This is a contouring brush. Okay, so this is again an angular brush, which can be used to contour your face, your neck, your forehead, your jaws, and everything. So yeah, I just have to check how it looks. So this is again going to be one important product which you will need to do the makeup. Okay, and the final box is again from Nykaa. So I'm again excited for this product. And this has to be my sindoor. I love keeping sindoor on my forehead. If you can see this, I have kept my sindoor already. So I was using the shade red, but now I wanted to go with a maroon shade. So I again purchased a sindoor. Yes, so this is from the brand Mars. So again, Mars has got a good range of products. And particularly this sindoor is waterproof. It stays on your forehead for days if you don't wash it properly. So I've experienced this before. Like it stays on your forehead probably for 2 to 3 days. Yeah, it has good stay, and it is waterproof and smudge proof as well. And the next product is from Faces Canada. It is Shape Up Brow Kit, HD Shape Up Brow Kit. So this basically is to do your brows. So yeah, it's that comes in. If you can see. Okay, so one is light brown and the other one is dark brown. It comes along with a brush. So one is used to shape up your brows and the other one is to apply the shape, apply the brow gel or whatever is in here. I'm not very sure about the name it has. So, and it also comes along with a cute mirror in it. Yeah, so just to do it when you travel maybe. So these are the products, and my makeup artist recommended me to mix both the colors so that I can pair it beautifully with my skin tone or the way exactly how my brow looks like. And the final product is a highlighter brush. Again, this is from the brand Mars. So if you can see this is a fan brush. This is basically to apply highlighter on your face. So see, if you can see, it looks like a fan, right? So apart from the products that we did the unboxing right now, these are the basic products that I already have, and I also wanted to show these with you because you can do a wholesome makeup product kit purchase, or you can build your own makeup product kit in a better way, right? So you have to start with your cleanser, like do a proper cleansing on your face so that there isn't anything on your face, and then go ahead with a toner is something which is very important. Like I generally use the plum toner. Next step is a good moisturizer, a good water based moisturizer. My makeup artist was very particular about using a water based moisturizer or a gel based moisturizer, because a cream based one is going to make my skin look greasy or oily, and it is not going to help with better stay of the product. And apart from that, to do your eye makeup, these are the products which is very important. One is the eyeshadow. This is a nude eyeshadow palette that I purchased last year maybe from Makeup Revolution. And eyeliner, like I have in two shades. One is more like a maroon shade. It's from the Studio West and I got it during the sale. And this one is by Bella Vita. Again, this my cousin gifted me, and this product I love the most. It stays for a very long time. And to do your eye makeup, you need two brushes to do your eye makeup. So one is the application brush. It's just to apply the makeup on your eyes, and this is a blending brush. So this is very important when you are going to blend in two or more colors on your eyelid. So and then you will need a very good mascara. So I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, which is waterproof. And the next product is of the most important one. This is a setting powder. So this is from the brand Mars. So this was again a product recommendation from my makeup artist. She recommended me this one because I already had this and it was looking good on my face after all the application, and it held the makeup for a long time. So she was like okay with it. And this is a brown color blush, more like a skin tone shade. So this is a Radiance blush. I again got this from Studio West in the shade M04 bronze. And the next blush is from the brand Plum. So this is proper blush color. So if you can see this, it is a rose color. So the name itself says it is rose on you. If you can see this, it is a rose color. So yeah, these are also the products that is very important to do your makeup look. So the products that I showed you till now is definitely going to suit your skin if you are someone who has normal to dry skin and sweat a lot. So these are the products that I purchased for myself to build my own makeup kit, and I'm definitely going to be doing a separate video on the steps on how to do a makeup maybe in the future once I get confident about how to do a makeup and teach people. So yeah, like hoping I will have some patience to do this as a video. So yeah, I'm hoping to do more videos, more of a review video once I start using all these products on my face and how it's going to be on my face. If you like to see more about how the product is or some review or particularly anything about a product, you can please feel free to comment in the comment section, and I can make it as an interactive session as well. So, and that's it. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video today. You made my day. I'm so happy that I'm able to share my makeup routine journey, like how I built my own makeup kit and everything. And I'm very grateful to share the products that I purchased, because this video is definitely going to help a lot of people with the dry skin issue and also who sweat a lot at the same time, right? So yeah, I believe this video was more informative and more helpful for everyone out here. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share the video if you really enjoyed it and if you really found it useful, and please comment in the comment section so that I can make it more helpful and more useful in the future.